Looks like somebody put a memorial out here for their dog in the form of a bench. To Beethoven, the best hiking dog ever. Love, Blanche, and Richard. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at a not so happy place out here in Prescott, Arizona, or Prescott, as some of the locals would say. We're at the site of a plane crash that took place in February of 1959. We got some of the wreckage right over here, and as you can tell, we're very, very close to an airport. You can hear and actually see a plane up in the sky as we speak. It's like a little Cessna. Let's jump into this video and talk a little bit about what happened on that fateful day in February 1959. So here is the memorial. It says on February 28th, 1959, the United States Air Force Lockheed C-121G Super Constellation en route from Litchfield Park, NAS in Phoenix crashed at this site during a training mission. The City of Prescott Constellation Trail are dedicated to the memory of the U.S. Navy servicemen who lost their lives while serving our country. And then it gives the names of the servicemen. And it looks like this was dedicated in the summer of 2011. And just to the right, you got the remaining wreckage. Yeah, so here is the scraps, the wreckage. So hikers will hike through here, through this whole little loop. Every now and again, somebody will find pieces of the wreckage, and they'll bring it here. It was a crazy crash from what I'm able to gather. It must have been full of fuel, or maybe very empty, because you know the fumes of the fuel is actually what burned. It's not the actual liquid itself. And locals described it as a giant mushroom cloud, and hearing a loud explosion. And it's just so crazy that 5 crew members lost their lives during this training mission. Again, they left Litchfield, if I'm saying that right. If not, somebody can correct me down in the comments. They left Litchfield and Phoenix to conduct a local training mission here at the Prescott Airport. After completing several touch-and-go maneuvers, the crew was flying at an altitude of about 300 feet east of the airport. They were at 300 feet east of the airport when they lost control. The aircraft entered a dive and crashed in flames in a near vertical altitude in a wooded area, which is where we're at now. They crashed in a wooded area near Highway 89, which is just there, very close to the highway. I mean, if this is a spot, I mean, we're maybe only a football field off of the highway. I don't think this is the exact spot, but I mean, upon the impact, I mean, you can only imagine how far this stuff is going to fly. The aircraft burst into flames and all 5 crew members perished. It was reported that one propeller was feathered when control was lost. And I think to this day it's still unsolved. It's still, the investigation was never concluded. I mean, obviously they finished investigating, but it was inconclusive why it went down. Yeah, I doubt that little bit of fiberglass or fabric, whatever that is there, was part of the wreckage. See some straps and other things that were in here. Wow. But that's really about it, guys. I mean, it's pretty sad what happened. I mean, they lost their lives in the line of duty. So it was considered them serving their country. They were doing we're just doing a training mission, touch and goes, kind of where they go and they fly the plane, they land, but they don't completely stop the plane, and then they take off again. There's a lot of planes actually still doing that in this area today. We were driving through this area yesterday, and I think I counted about 10 planes just circling this area. So it is still very much active in the form of training missions today. That's it. Well, it was just a short video, guys. This is something I wanted to bring to light, something I learned about a few years ago. I tried to get out here last time when we were here. It didn't pan out, but just something I wanted to bring to light and share with everybody. Rest in peace to the crew. It actually is a very nice area. If you guys are into hiking, I am not. But if you guys ever want to come out here and pay your respects at the memorial, it's a 2-mile loop, and a lot of it looks quite a bit like this. Got another bench, possibly benches along the way. And the deeper you get into this, they have it marked with these white painted dots, so you guys don't lose your way. Look at this. Looks like they had a birdhouse or a squirrel house or something that has been taken out. Maybe by the weather. Hopefully not by vandals. Yeah, little birdhouse. Very cool. I don't know. Maybe we might just have to do this little hike one of these days. If you guys want us to come back and do this hike, put that down in the comments. Let us know, and we'll come back and film a little hike here. Yeah, you can still see airplanes taking off from the airport over there. Got one taking off, one landing. Well, that's going to do it, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And maybe it's a story you guys have never heard of before. If you guys want to see more videos like this, also put that down in the comments. Don't forget to smash the like button on your way out. It lets YouTube know to share this video with others. Thanks for watching.